In today's topic, you learn beta in a ray diagram of the image, concave या convex mirror. In that, P point, pole point consider as a origin and principal axis consider as a x-axis. Principal axis above distance and downside distance, perpendicular distance you assume as a y line. So from pole to left side distance you can measure as a negative value. From pole point to right side value you can take as a positive value. From pole above the value, meaning height of object, mostly you put up in a principal axis. So this is you take positive. Principal axis downside value you take as a negative. In the image of the this you can say the upside from P to upside positive. Now you already know in a concave mirror total 6 diagram is there, ray diagram. In a first one you put up, in a first diagram you put up the object long distance, but their distance you don't know, so you can't have u. But in second figure you can see here, in your second figure you can say B is here, B here and A. So this is height. So you can take height positive and A dash B dash this is image. This is that. So here object to P point distance is called measurement U, distance of P to object, and A dash B dash to P distance is called V. So here UB take was negative and V also take negative. Another F word use, F is what? Focal length. So F to P distance, F is focus point to pole point, both distance is called focal length. Focal length you can say half of the radius, curvature radius, C to P distance divided by 2. So F is always in the middle of the CP. So now you can consider.
Hold up. Could you explain the curvature again?
Curvature radius. So curvature radius meaning what? Center of the sphere. Suppose you draw one circle. So their center where is? Here something their center. So center to here this is called radius, yes or no? Now from this, this is like a mirror. Suppose here to here some distance you can cut up to here. So up to here distance cut. So this one has a center to same only. See? So this is called curvature rate center. Understood beta? Like a circle center. Okay? Understood beta? Sri?
Yes, sir.
So center, this is complete the circle, so you get C as the center. That's why. Now F is exact. So here in the statement say U negative and positive, left side of P always you get negative number, right side of P you get positive. So in a first all 5 cases, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This all 5 cases you can conclude that image get left side, so distance problem is negative and object always you put up left side. So you can say object distance meaning U value 100% negative. But in a last case, you put up object between F and P, you get virtual image. So in that case, you get V value positive because P to right side distance. Now regarding height base, so beta you write down okay, about the x-axis this is called as a y, origin to upside is called positive, origin downside is called negative. So above the principal axis value is called positive, below the principal axis value is negative. So in a first case you not have object height, so you can't say, but in a second one B to A distance is positive, meaning H is positive, and B dash A dash is image, and this is below the principal axis. S dash to F dash you take negative. So in a first, second, third, in a third black one, A dash B dash is what? Negative. Here infinity, so you can't have height of the image. So here you can't find. So condition is what? Condition is what, beta? Below the principal axis, any object given their height you take negative because this is inverted. So height inverted, negative height represent image are negative height represents image are real and inverted, but positive height of image say the image are virtual. Okay, so this is the condition given in the topic. Next one, same today, one formula, mirror formula also you remember. In a mirror formula you can say 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. You learn this. 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is F is what? Focal length. Focal length is what? Half upon radius. Radius half is called focal length. And magnification, magnitude, right? So magnification ratio of the height of image upon height of object is called magnification. M is equal to height of image upon height of object. So H dash upon H, simple way. Another we have object distance also in a ratio. We can magnification M is equal to H dash upon H is equal to minus V by U. We have these two formula. So these two formula important for some of this chapter. Yesterday's topic, in the image put up value, you take how to remember all 6 ray diagram, how to draw. You know, all 6 diagram you draw from the left to right. Left side only draw object. So in a first, you put up object at infinity, meaning so much distance from the pole. So that's why you get image at the point F. Second condition, remember, you put up object beyond C, meaning backside of C. So that time you get image at A dash B dash, you get between C and F, meaning curvature center and focal point. Third case, you put up object, meaning you go step by step. First you put up object infinity. Second you put up below C. Now you put up at the point C. You put up object at the point C. So you get image at C only, but inverted. So check, BA upside, B dash A dash downside. Inverted, same size. Now again, between C and F you put up image. So that time you get the image beyond C, meaning reverse of, meaning B and C reverse to each other. Both are reverse to each other. Last one, E here given, you put up F point. So check here, infinite put up, you get image at F point. Point side highly diminished, meaning smallest one. Similarly, F point you put up now your object, you get image at infinity because you can't see properly. So here, this is the condition. So this is 5 point. Infinity, beyond C, C point, between C and F. Now you put up again more step near to P point, meaning between P and F put up. So you get image backside of the mirror, meaning virtual image, right? At the point A dash B dash and virtually erect, but not inverted. Inverted meaning head up to down, meaning head down and leg up happen, that is inverted. But here the same height and so this is head up only beta, only erect image. So this is the topic. Okay, any confusion then you can ask me doubt beta.